Hello everyone and welcome back to Sincerely Grace. So today I am going to be doing a video on my Victorine wallet. Now I've had this wallet for about a year and I've been using it non-stop. So I thought that it would be a good idea to share my insight with you and why I think this is the perfect wallet. Also, I'm doing my very first giveaway. It is actually a Louis Vuitton wallet. I will talk a little bit more in detail as to how you can enter and what wallet I am talking about at the end of this video. But without further ado, let's get started on today's review. So the wallet that I've been using for about a year, non-stop, is this Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet. Now, I've had it, like I said, for about a year, and I think this is the perfect go-to wallet, hands down. I've been using it non-stop. It carries all my cards that I need. It even has a coin spot and it has an area for your cash. I truly believe that this wallet is basically perfect for anybody and everyday use. So let me get started as far as the details. So like I said, this is the Victorine wallet, the Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet. Now for this Victorine wallet, and usually all of my SLGs, I like to stick with a classic look. So I opted out with the classic monogram print with the gold hardware. Now I do know that this wallet comes with different options. You can go ahead and get it with the rose ballerine button, and I believe the interior matches the same as the button. And then it also comes with the fuchsia color, and then also again I believe it's the same for the inside of the wallet. But let me show you what this wallet looks like. So it does have a click closure here, and then whenever you open it up, here on the side is where you will find your zipper for your coins. Now currently I do have quite a bit of coins that I've accumulated over the past few days. So I will need to empty this out into my coin jar for sure, but it is definitely sufficient enough to hold quite a bit. Now, going back to the main compartment, so as you see here, it does hold quite a bit of cards. Now I carry my debit cards here, and then my driver's license here at the bottom, and then my debit card for Target, my Costco card, and then also my insurance card. And then I still have room here on the side to carry more, and then also on this side to carry more. So it does hold quite a bit of cards. And I do want to mention, before I decided to purchase this, I used to have the Louis Vuitton card holder. I still have it, but I just don't utilize it because I wanted to start carrying cash for the longest ever. Still now, I'm still trying to break the habit of always using my debit card to purchase items. I made it a goal to take out basically my weekly expenses out at the beginning of the week, so that way I keep track of what I'm spending. With my debit card, it's so easy just to swipe it, so I wanted to keep track. So I definitely needed a wallet that could hold cash, and this one does here on the side. I mean, it seems pretty compact, and it is, but once you open it up, the back here holds cash. So you're definitely able to hold your cards, your debit cards, credit cards, whatever, and your coin, and then also your cash back here. It actually opens up all the way right here. I carry a bunch of receipts here and then also some cash. But I really do have to say this is the perfect wallet. I was contemplating getting the, I believe this is Zippy wallet, which is a little bit bigger. It's probably about this big. But I knew that I still wanted a wallet that can hold all my necessities, but that could still go into my smaller purses. For a while, I was using nothing but crossbody bags, and they were more on the smaller side, so the card holder was perfect. But then I started purchasing more of the tote bigger bags, and my card holder would get lost. It would take me forever to try and find it. So this is definitely a better option for me, and I've been loving it. I rate this wallet a 10 out of 10. Don't think that there's another wallet that could make me as happy as this one. But yes, I definitely recommend this wallet. Now, just if you're curious, this wallet retails for $570, which I think is an amazing price point for a Louis Vuitton wallet. Whenever it came to SLGs, I always thought twice about purchasing them. Why I say that? Because I always wanted to make sure that I spent my money well on something that I know I'm going to utilize for a long period of time. Obviously, you're spending a lot of money. I don't have money just to kind of throw away. So whenever I saw the price point on this and basically that it was able to hold everything that I needed, I was like, okay, no brainer. Like I said, I was thinking about the Sippy wallet, but I want to say that wallet is about $800 and something. And I was like, that's a little bit too much than what I would like to spend on an SLG. But yes, that's a little bit too much than what I would like to spend on a wallet. In my eyes, I'm like $800, that's very shy away from a crossbody bag that usually is typically around $1,200. Anyways, that's my way of thinking. I don't like to overspend, and I'm very cautious about where I'm spending my money. So we are at the point of the video where I announce my very first giveaway, and I am so excited. I knew I wanted to do a giveaway sooner or later on my channel, just kind of to give thanks to all of you guys that support me. I really do enjoy making these videos. I've always had a itch, I guess you can say, for luxury. Always. I mean, not very high end from the beginning because I couldn't afford it. But into purses ever since I was in high school. I mean, I'm going to go way back. Well, maybe not way back, but maybe about 20 years ago whenever I was in high school. And I remember just saving up my money whenever I worked minimum wage and buying my Coach purses, buying my Juicy Couture, which was in at the moment, purses, my tracksuits, and I want to say what other brand was in. Dooney & Bourke. My very first purse was actually a gift from my boyfriend then, now husband, a Dooney & Bourke bag. And that started my obsession with purses. Anyway, that's besides the point, but I like to make these videos for you guys because I truly like sharing this with you. I hope you don't take it as me bragging. I just truly enjoy talking about these items. If I could talk about luxury all day, well, maybe not all day, but if I could talk about luxury more on my day-to-day basis, I would completely enjoy it. This is something that I am passionate about and that I save my hard-earned money on. So yes, I am just very thankful for you guys, and thank you for continuing to support me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I would greatly appreciate it if you enjoy these kind of videos. But going back to my giveaway. So my very first giveaway is actually on my Instagram page. So if you don't follow me there, definitely do so. I will leave all the information down in the description box as far as my Instagram name. So I've paired up with a couple of girls to be able to provide this for you, and I am so thankful that they reached out to me. So we are actually giving away a Louis Vuitton wallet, and it is the Emily wallet. Now, like I said, I will leave all the information down in the description box. Now, this is definitely not going to be my only giveaway. I do plan on doing more giveaways down the road. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely do so. And if you enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys, definitely hit that like button. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.